Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare ginseng tea. First, select your ginseng type, fresh, dried, or powdered. For dried ginseng, use about 1 to 3 grams per cup. If you have fresh ginseng, slice it into thin pieces to maximize its flavor release. This initial step is crucial for a potent and enjoyable brew. We'll cover the brewing process next, ensuring you get the most from your ginseng. Once your ginseng is ready, it's time to brew. Place the ginseng in a non-reactive pot, such as glass or ceramic, to maintain its pure taste. Add water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it simmer for 10 to 30 minutes, depending on your desired strength. A longer simmer yields a more robust tea. After brewing, strain the tea to remove the ginseng pieces before enjoying your warm beverage. To customize your ginseng tea, consider adding natural sweeteners or flavorings. A touch of honey can balance the earthy notes, while a slice of lemon or a piece of fresh ginger can add a refreshing zest. Serve your tea warm in your favorite mug for a truly comforting experience. You can even rebrew the same ginseng pieces up to 3 times, getting more value from your initial preparation. Ginseng tea is often enjoyed for its potential to support energy and overall well-being. While many find it beneficial, always consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Remember to listen to your body and enjoy this traditional beverage responsibly. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy throughout your day. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.